Muraho neza abaduteze amatwi, aha turi n'irundu nk'uko mubibona ko murabona imirambo y'inka. Aha ngaha niho twaje kuri tere nk'uko mubibona. Reka rero araza kuvuga we mu rundi rurimi atubwire ikindi bitangaza tubona hano bw'inka tubona ziryamye zapfuye.
Okay, good morning. Let's just try to make a little small details about what is happening here in Minembwe. We've been just trying to highlight the most of the tragedies that is becoming or happening in Minembwe. We've been just in different and most powerful attacks that was just being in the grounds and the others just in the air. When we talked about the regime that has a plan just to make sure they can kill or make the genocide that is just going on, that is what is happening now. They've been bombing peoples. They've been bombing churches and the hospitals and the clinics. They've been bombing even the farm. They've been just chasing the farmers everywhere around these places of Minembwe. But when we talked about it, some of the people doesn't even understand. It doesn't even know what is going on. Last night, then the drones comes with a lot of bombs, and they just coming with the cattle, and they bombed, and most of them have been killed. If you look at around, there is more than 60 dead bodies of the cows, others injured, and others has already died. Those are the only drones that has bombed, not in only one places. Has been just happening in different places, not only these cows. Last week it happens the same. Gakenke, also other cows have been also killed. In also Kalingi, other cattle was also killed. And this is what is happening. And what we said, let's just say it to the regime. Let's say it to the community, international communities, just to understand what is going on. Why the crime? Why the killings? Why the even killing the cattle? Because they know this is the only way where we can get only our providers can just help our kids to go to school. It can help even to go to the hospital. It can help even to get any kind of wealth. This is the only wealth we have. You know that they have been looting, hundreds of them. The houses have been destroyed, even the farm, everything. They killed even all the people. All the mom was killed. More than 100-year-old was killed in here. This is what is going on, and let's just try to tell for those who doesn't understand our language. This is what is going on in Minembwe. It is a crime. It is a genocide. We need an impartial organization to come and invest, to come and do the investigation and see what is going on. Why killing the cattle? Why killing the people? Why killing the mom? Why killing the child? Why killing all those people? Just what's happening like this. This is the most things we would like just to highlight on this morning. Today is April 1st, 2026. Thank you.
Okay.
Bavuga bashimagiza leta mbi y'u Burundi, leta mbi yadukora baratwishe mu gatumba turataka amahanga araceceka arabirebera, ariko n'ubunyira dusanze wacu murenga aho turi niho ahaza kuturasira. Mureka tubereke amatungo y'abanyamurenge ukuntu ameze iri joro ryakeye, kandi irakomeje no mukanya utegereje ko izana handi.
Rero kuko yarakomeje bivuga ni ka zigera hafi kuri mirongo, ndibaza ko zageze kuri 58. Mu gihe dohe tuvuga izamaze gupfa zavuye mu mwuka, ariko izigikomeretse zishobora kuza gupfa yuko no bumara ziracyari nyinshi, nukuvuga ngo hakomeretse inka amagana. Bavandimwe, gukomeretsa abanyamurenge no kubica dufite umwanzi wacu, ariko tubabajwe no kubona umuntu w'umunyamurenge ari buza kudutoneka, kuza kuvuga yuko inka zezicwa n'abasirikari batwirwaneho, kandi drone hagize ikazica. Ino mirambo ninde musirikari watwirwaneho ugomba kuza yamara agahekura undi munyamurenge akamwicira inka zingana we. Nimureke ku mavudu toneka ibingibi bizagira iherezo ryazo. Ngahe komeza ufirima twerekeza aho inka zose ziri yuko ziri ku misozi myinshi itandukanye. Ntabwo dushobora kugira ngo hose tuhagere byenda tubipirima, ariko byenda murabibona mu mafoto ko murabona zimwe za satuwinda, izindi zakomeretse zacigwa mabehi, amahembe, imitwe ku misozi. Ibintu ni ibintu bitangaje kandi biteye ishavu. Ibindi byo bihe bikorerwa abanyamurenge tubyereke isi yose, isi ikomeza ibibone. Ntabwo tuvuga ibingibi kugira ngo bise naho ari populisme. Nta populisme duhe dushakira mu gupfa kw'abantu. Ivyo dukora no kugira ngo twerekana kababaro k'abantu he bapfa, abantu he bazira ibyabo, umuntu akabona yuko none ugatakwishe reka kwicira inka kugira ngo n'abana bawe bazabura ikibazo.
Hanyuma fande, ese ko umugambi wari wo kumara abantu, iyi politike nayo kwinjira mu bintu niki kivyihishe inyuma
muri genocide, mu bikorwa muri genocide ibintu zo kugira ngo bamare ntabwo bica gusa abantu baravuga ati bano bantu tuzobice uzaba atagihari azabura ikimutunga bazisha amatungo uzobura uko agira azanyagirwe n'imvura imwice bakamusenyera inzu bakamusenyera ibyo kurya bakabitwika cyangwa bakabitemagura nkakureba bari mu gutemagura imirima bakica inka bakica inkoko bisha intama ibintu byose ko barakuraho ni ukuvuga ngo kijya cya basic z'ubuzima bwawe bagomba kugikuraho kugira ngo kimwe nugira aho nimbukize zenda ukagira abana babiri bakize nanone bazabura ikizabatunga bazabura aho bazaryama imvura ibanyagire bazabura imiti bavura kugira ngo bapfe ni rwa rupfu ruri progressive kugira ngo nanone bazageraho barangiza
hanyuma ndaguciye mu ijambo hari umusore wagize ngo usubize nanje kira kigano nagitegereye kirambabaza cyane biragaragara kuko mu byo yakoze ntabwo yabanje ngo akore research amenye se ubwoko bwa drone ziyazirasa nubuhi cyangwa se ibirometero zishobora kugenda nubuhi kuko yibwiye kuko n'inda zira za misile n'izindi wamufasha
tubwire injiji yitwa Emase twakurikiye ikiganiro cyawe uri injiji irutwa n'umukecuru utarize wo mu Minembwe yuko umukecuru wo mu Minembwe azi ibihe bikorwa bwana Emase uzareke gutoneka abanyamurenge yuko ugira ubwenge buke icambere urabizi kuko tubana muri Canada turaziranye so kuvuga ngo uko ndakumvisha yuko nagusomye hano turaziranye twarahuye twararamukanyije turaturanye drone ziri mu kuza hari mu kuza drone zitandukanye banze nguheze yuko noneho ngomba kukwedicating yuko ukenewe education kugira ngo banze usobanukirwe n'ibyo uvuga drone ziza hari drone ziza zifite utubomba dutoya uko itwara akabomba gatoya ni kwitanga fragment ntoya ishobora kwinjirira n'ahantu hato nibyo byibi ngibi niturebera kuri iyi nkira ahangaha erekana ahangaha gashobora kuba aga fragment gatoya kangana gake ariko ndigashobora kungana na fragment yaciye ijose bazuza bareka kuza gutoneka abantu yerekana yuko ashobora kuba expert wiki uko fragment ingana niko yinjira ishobora kwinjira ari kinini kiki ngikitekerezo ukuntu kingana kije gishushe ari umuriro aho gitemye hangana gute ntabwo kingana nakavunguka ka fragment inganitya rero amabomba mwari mukuzanwa na bwa drone butoya buryo bita kamikaze ugatera ububomba butoya mu buryo habe n'abantu iri mu kuba ikomeretsa abantu batanu ugasanga abantu bose bafite utuntu duto aho dufite bombe zindi nini ziraswa na CH4 irasura ubomba runini rwa za mortier 82 mortier 120 ico gikubita imipanga ibintu by'ibisate akana gasate gatoya twatoye ariko bari binini iyo ngiyi iratema ishobora gukuraho umutwe ishobora gukuraho ijosi ishobora gukuraho ukuguru kwinkuresa umuntu ikamurangiza twaberetse inka yatemaguye kugeza n'umuntu bivana na explosion ibe yabaye uzareke gushinyagurira abantu kumva ngo izo nka ngo ziri mu kuraswa izi zarashwe ninjoro na drone numvisa avuga kandi kajambo ngo kubera ikizo nka ngo ziri mu kuraswa gusa ninjoro drone iza ninjoro ikaza kumanywa hari zarashwe kumanywa hano hirya hari ziraswa ninjoro iyo ni tactique n'igihe bumva bashaka kurasira si bo uzotubwira ngo ese kubera iki zarashijoro umuswa uzabanza ugende wikosore numara kumenya ubwenge uzobana kugaruka rero izi nizo zose rero dukomeza tubereka dore kiri tusubiza uwo nguwo kiriya ni ikimanyu cha fragment yakubise hari gakuwerekana kino kintu cyakubise kuri ino kana reba ukuboko kwacu amaboko yacitse reba ziriya nyama zose zahuye iyi ngiyi se yakubiswe he cyangwa waza ushaka ngo kandi basube bakwereka yuko ka fragment kangana kuko zose bivana na fragment uko yagigezeho kandi uko nguko nikugereka reba iyi ngiyi niba ishobora kuba ifite ahantu washobora kuba hameze nk'ahisasu iyo niko fragment yaringana yinjiye mu nda ariko bareke kuza gucokoza no gukora abantu mu nda no kubatoneka inka zamaze kuraswa ko ziragera hafi 30
dore iriya yacitse ukuboko
iriya yacitse ukuboko ibyo byose bivana n'ishahuye nayo uko niko bimeze izindi inda ziri hanze tubwira abanyamurenge tubwira amahanga ibi bihe bikomeza bidukorerwa bigomba guhagarara abaturage bo mu Minembwe ba deserving kugira ngo bagire amahoro bakeneye amahoro bakeneye kubaho n'abana babo n'abagore babo iki gihugu tuzokibamo mwanga mwabikunda
yego murakoze cyane reka tubashimire ku mwanya mutanze mutanga amakuru y'akarere murakoze cyane fande ubundi mugira ibihe byiza
murakoze cyane
yego